Hi everyone, I am Maria Dimic, a preschool teacher for the older age group at Chikayova's My Preschool Institution, and I am actively involved in the Little Green Fingers project with the children as a part of our preschool program. During our daily activities in the preschool yard, we noticed a sparrow chirping, which inspired us to learn more about its way of life. We had seen sparrows in the yard before, so their chirping was very familiar to the children. Once they realized that sparrows were frequent visitors to our preschool yard, their curiosity to learn more about them grew even stronger. The children showed great interest in the sparrow's appearance and the way of life, so we invited the parents to collaborate with us. Together, we created a learning corner that would help the children explore sparrows in their own way, how they look, what they eat, what they like or dislike, and how we can help them survive the winter and how we can attract more of them to our playground. We asked the children if they had any ideas about how we could invite the sparrows to return to our preschool yard. The children came up with wonderful ideas, so we decided to inspire them to draw everything they had imagined. They drew nests, bird houses, and many creative ways to attract the sparrow's attention and encourage it to visit our yard. During the construction of prototype birdhouse for sparrows, the children planned, explained different solutions, tested the stability of the structures, and made decisions together. We used natural materials, especially wood, and through the construction process, the children developed their logical thinking and the problem-solving skills. The children consider of the safety of the birdhouses and improve them when necessary, as they realized on their own that there are ways to make the birdhouses safer and more comfortable for the sparrow. The children presented their different birdhouses prototypes to their friends. They explained how they came up with these ideas and which materials they used. The children, together with the parents, took part in making and installing birdhouses and feeders in the preschool yard. We learned that the sparrows like to hide in bush, which is why they enjoy our yard. Together with the parents, we suggested planting bushy vegetation, and the children made an effort to provide sparrows with a place for shelter and rest. Through this action, they developed and an awareness that their care for the nature continues even after this project. Thank you very much on your attention.